When you quit sugar, several positive changes can occur in your body. Here are 10 things that may happen when you eliminate or significantly reduce your intake of added sugars. Improved blood sugar control. Quitting sugar can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes and crashes. This can lead to better energy levels, improved mood, and reduced risk of developing insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Weight loss or weight management. Added sugars are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. By cutting out sugar, you reduce your overall calorie intake, which can lead to weight loss or help maintain a healthy weight. Reduced cravings. Sugar can trigger cravings and an addictive-like response in some people. When you quit sugar, you may experience a reduction in cravings for sweet foods over time, making it easier to make healthier food choices. Increased energy and improved mood. Refined sugars can cause energy crashes and fluctuations in mood. By eliminating or reducing sugar, you may experience more stable energy levels throughout the day and an improved overall mood. Improved heart health. High sugar intake is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Quitting sugar can help lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health markers. Enhanced mental clarity. Some people report improved mental clarity and focus when they reduce their sugar intake. This may be due to more stable blood sugar levels and reduced inflammation in the body. Better skin health. Sugar consumption has been linked to skin issues like acne and premature aging. By cutting out sugar, you may notice improvements in your skin's appearance and overall complexion. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. A high intake of added sugars is associated with an increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic diseases. By quitting sugar, you lower your risk of developing these conditions and improve your long-term health. Improved digestion. Excessive sugar intake can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the gut and contribute to digestive issues. Quitting sugar can help restore a healthier gut microbiome and improve digestion. Better dental health. Sugar is a primary contributor to tooth decay and cavities. By reducing your sugar intake, you can improve your dental health and decrease the risk of dental issues. It's important to note that everyone's response to quitting sugar can vary, and the extent of these changes will depend on factors such as individual metabolism, overall diet, and lifestyle. Additionally, it's essential to differentiate between added sugars and naturally occurring sugars found in whole foods like fruits, which come with important nutrients and fiber. If you have specific health concerns or dietary needs, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance. How long does it typically take to notice these positive changes after quitting sugar? Immediate effects. You may start to notice immediate effects in the first few days after quitting sugar. These can include a reduction in energy crashes and stabilized blood sugar levels, leading to increased energy and improved mood. Within a week or two of reducing your sugar intake, you may notice a decrease in cravings for sweet foods. Weight changes. Some individuals may experience noticeable weight loss within a few weeks, while others may see gradual changes over a longer period. Improved digestion can occur within a few weeks as your gut microbiome adjusts to the reduced sugar intake. Skin improvements can take several weeks or even months. This is because the skin's condition is influenced by various factors, including hormones and individual skin characteristics. It's important to note that these timelines are approximate, and individual experiences may vary. Additionally, the extent of the positive changes depends on various factors, including the amount of sugar previously consumed, overall diet and lifestyle, genetic factors, and underlying health conditions. I hope you find this video useful and you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.